Hey guys, JJ the Movie Kid here, and today I got a supreme pizza and a rotisserie chicken. Now we got this from Walmart. Now I didn't cook this, guys. Tell you the truth, I didn't fix this. It's already cooked, guys. But what my mom did, she put it in the pressure cooker and it came out good. And you're talking about good, guys. My mom is the reason that I can cook. But some things I still have to learn, like lobster and stuff like that. But I can cook most things, but I still have to learn how to cook certain things. Like, guys, I do a better job on cooking chicken eggs because when I used to cook them, there would still be a little bit of blood in them. But I do better about that. If I see pink, I put them back in the skillet or deep fry or whatever, and let them cook some more. And after a while, they're done. So, guys, I do a better job at that because, guys, I don't want to get sick from eating raw meat. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm an excellent chef too. And guys, this supreme pizza is 3 meat. I put this in the oven. I kind of had to leave that in there for a while because the bottom wasn't cooked. It was still cold. Because, guys, that bottom, that red night in the oven, that night in the oven, I think that, yeah, guys, that night in the oven is what helps make it cook. Guys, I got one of those small ovens. And guys, when I get a big supreme pizza, I just cut a piece and put it in the oven because we don't have a big one. If we had a big oven, I would put the whole pizza in there. Because if I did that, guys, I could put the rest of it away and eat off of it for a few days. And don't have to cook it. I can just put it in the microwave. Because it's already baked. The dough and stuff is already baked. I wouldn't have to put it back in the oven. That's what I would do if I had one of those big supreme pizzas. But guys, if I get a big supreme pizza, I have to take up the pizza cutter and cut a few pieces off. Yeah, not a few pieces, but a couple of slices. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, my mom's the reason I can cook. I watched her pretty good, and I cook pretty good. And guys, it's a good combination, as you can see. Guys, I forgot the barbecue sauce, but I can tell you guys, it's gonna be good when I do put it on. That's good. Guys, that's good. Yep, guys, that's good. Here. And guys, I also got a ring over here. Now, guys, I couldn't find any nags. I think my mom or my brother got both of the nags. That's what I like that's the part of chicken I like. I like the thigh, the breast, and the legs more than the wing. Yeah. Guys, that's good. Guys, that's good. Now, guys, if you enjoyed that, don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe if you are new, like I always say. And guys, I'll see you all in the next video.